The American bison, king of the plains. The American bison, often called the buffalo, is one of the most iconic animals of North America. For centuries, it has roamed the vast grasslands, shaping the land, feeding communities, and inspiring legends. Known for its massive body, humped shoulders, and shaggy brown coat, the bison is more than just an animal, it is a symbol of strength, resilience, and survival. Historical importance. Long before modern America, millions of bison thundered across the Great Plains. For Native American tribes, they were sacred. The bison provided everything: food, clothing, shelter, tools, and even spiritual guidance. Almost every part of the animal was used: meat for nutrition, hides for teepees and clothing, bones for tools, and even horns for cups or decorations. In Native culture, the bison represented abundance and harmony with nature. However, during the 19th century, bison populations faced near extinction. European settlers hunted them in huge numbers, sometimes killing them only for sport or for hides. The United States government also encouraged mass slaughter to weaken native tribes by destroying their primary resource. From an estimated 30 to 60 million bison, their numbers dropped to only a few hundred by the late 1800s. This tragedy is one of the darkest chapters in conservation history. Physical description. The American bison is the largest land mammal in North America. Male bulls can weigh up to 2,000 pounds (900 kg), while females are smaller, around 1,000 pounds (450 kg). They have a thick, dark brown coat, a massive head, curved horns, and a characteristic hump on their shoulders, which is made of powerful muscles supported by long vertebrae. Despite their bulky appearance, bison are surprisingly fast, capable of running at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. They are also strong swimmers, able to cross rivers with ease. Habitat and behavior. Bison prefer open grasslands, prairies, and river valleys. They are grazing animals, mainly feeding on grasses, herbs, and shrubs. By grazing, they help maintain healthy ecosystems, preventing grass from overgrowing, fertilizing the soil, and supporting biodiversity. Herd behavior is a key part of their survival. Females and young calves live in groups, while males often roam separately and join during the breeding season. Calves, usually born in spring, are reddish-brown and are often called red dogs. They grow quickly, and within months they start grazing alongside their mothers. Bison are social, protective, and resilient creatures that can survive harsh winters by using their massive heads to sweep snow aside and reach grass underneath. Role in the ecosystem. The American bison is considered a keystone species, meaning its presence supports entire ecosystems. Their grazing patterns shape the land, creating open areas that allow many plants and animals to thrive. Bison wallows shallow pits they roll and collect rainwater, providing small wetlands for birds and insects. Their dung enriches the soil and spreads seeds, supporting plant diversity. Without bison, the Great Plains would not be the same. Benefits of the American bison. 1. Cultural benefits. For indigenous people, the bison is sacred. It represents life, spirituality, and respect for nature. Even today, many native tribes honor the bison in ceremonies. 2. Ecological benefits. Bison help maintain balance in grassland ecosystems. Their grazing promotes plant growth, supports pollinators, and prevents overgrowth. 3. Nutritional benefits. Bison meat is lean, rich in protein, and lower in fat compared to beef. It is becoming popular as a healthier alternative. 4. Economic benefits. Bison ranching and tourism provide income for many communities. National parks such as Yellowstone attract millions of visitors who come to see wild bison herds. 5. Educational and symbolic benefits. The bison is a symbol of American heritage and resilience. In 2016, it was declared the national mammal of the United States. Drawbacks and challenges. While the bison brings many benefits, there are also challenges and drawbacks. 1. Human-bison conflict. Because of their size and strength, bison can be dangerous if approached. In Yellowstone, tourists sometimes get injured trying to take photos too close. 2. Agricultural conflicts. Ranchers worry about bison spreading diseases like brucellosis to cattle, which has led to conflicts between conservationists and farmers. 3. Habitat loss. Modern development, farming, and fencing have reduced the vast grasslands where bison once roamed freely. Today, most bison live in protected parks or ranches, not wild open ranges. 4. Genetic issues. Many bison herds have been crossbred with cattle, reducing genetic purity. Preserving pure bison herds is still a challenge. Conservation success. Thankfully, conservation efforts in the 20th century saved the bison from extinction. Dedicated ranchers, native tribes, and national parks played a key role. Today, there are around 500,000 bison in North America, although only about 30,000 are considered truly wild and free-ranging. Yellowstone National Park is home to the largest wild herd. The return of the bison is a symbol of hope, showing that humans can repair past mistakes.